Hey everybody! I'm here today to do a review of this Whirlpool Duet Steam Front Load Washer. In this video review, I'll be going over the features and functions of this washer with you, and I'll be telling you about my own personal opinion on this amazing washing machine. Now, one of the most notable features of this washing machine is the load and go system that it comes with. So let's start off by taking an overall look at the unit. It looks amazing, very simplistic design. Now, if you take a look, one of the coolest things is that it has this clear front over here. So when you load up your clothes and you wash them, and you load up your garments and you wash them, you're gonna be able to see exactly what's going on. In addition, it has all of these buttons right over here and all of these features that you can adjust. So it tells you exactly what's happening up here, okay? It tells you exactly what's happening up here. It tells you the estimated time remaining, okay? It tells you whether or not you're using the load and go system, and then you can adjust all these. So your wash temperature, it's really cool because it goes from cold to extra hot and everything in between. Your spin can go from off to extra fast. So it depends on what you're washing. You can literally get the perfect wash with every article of clothing. Your soil level goes from light to extra heavy, and your pre-soak goes from off to a full 8 hours. So if you want to get some serious stains out, you want to soak that garment, that piece of clothing, you can pre-soak it for up to 8 hours, okay? In addition, you have all of these extra little features down here that you can adjust, and then your delay time. I mean, literally, like, this is a heavy duty, high tech washer. And then on top of all those features, you have your control knob here that you can use to adjust to anything. So whether you're washing normal, whites, heavy duty towels, allergen, sanitize, drain and spin, clean washer at the bottom. Okay, so it's the clean washer with a fresh, wash and dry, quick wash, delicates, cold wash, like the sky's the limit. And then you also have your steam clean. So literally, okay? So many features, okay? Now, let me tell you about the size of this thing. This came with the house that my wife and I purchased, so I didn't buy it. I don't know the stats of how many cubic feet it is, but what I can tell you is that it fits a lot more than it looks like. When I first saw it, I'm used to a top loading machine, and I tried loading it up, and I was like, I don't know if this is all gonna fit. But when you start loading it up with clothes, you're like, wait a second, all of this can fit. It fits so much. It looks like it's a relatively small sized drum, but I will tell you so much fits in there, okay? Now let's take a look over here. So you can see it has the stainless steel on the inside of the drum, a nice illumination with the light. You can see it has a nice seal over there. So, you know, a nice seal is always what you're looking for when you're looking for a front loading machine. Now the load and go system, okay? So basically in here, what you can do is you can equip it with the load and go compartment, and basically, what it allows you to do is load your clothes in, and it's going to discover, you know, how much detergent to give to those clothes. Okay, so basically with the load and go system, I haven't actually used it, so I'm just complete honesty, I haven't used it, but I've read about it and I'm looking forward to using it. And when I was reading about it, it looked really cool. You know, it tells you if it's on or off, but basically it allows you to load your clothes and walk away. So you're not figuring out, oh, I need this much detergent, I need that much detergent, I need this. You load your clothes, you walk away. It senses how much detergent to use, and you just refill the detergent whenever it's needed, okay? Really, really cool. And like I said, I'm really looking forward to using the load and go system. I hope that people in the comments don't start tearing me up saying, oh, you didn't use it yet. Listen, I've started using this washer relatively recently. I haven't gotten a chance to use the load and go system. That's just complete transparency, but I know what it does, and it looks really, really cool, and I honestly, I can't wait to use it. Maybe I'll do a separate tutorial on how to use the load and go system. If you want to see that, drop a comment below, and I'll do a completely separate tutorial when I fully learn how to use it. I'm just trying to be completely transparent here. But oh, and sorry, another quick feature. I like the feature that the fact that the light turns off automatically. You saw that right there. Once the door is left open for a while, you know, the light turns off automatically. So what my wife and I do is we leave the door open so that it can sort of air out and dry out inside. Nothing will start forming in there, no mildew and stuff. But I didn't want the light to stay on, but the light turns off by itself, which is a really, really, really cool feature, because then you don't have to worry about the light staying on when if you decide to leave it open. But I mean, overall, I like the fact that it's cool. You can even, like, it even chimes when it's done. This really, really cool modern chime. You can turn it on and off and stuff like that. But it basically has tons of features. If you're looking for a washer that allows you to have all sorts of features, like you can literally make any adjustment possible. Let's say you want the washer to pre-soak for 8 hours. Like you put the clothes in there, you want it to pre-soak for 8 hours and you want it to start later on in the day. You can set that. You know, it can start right when you get home, let's say. Or it can start later on when the cost of electricity is much lower if you have that metered cost. So it's, you know, and like I said, steam clean, like everything about this washer is amazing. I cannot tell you how impressed I am with this washer. The last washer that I had was cool, but it was just a basic washer. You turn the knob, you turn it on, a few options. And then I came to something like this, which, like, look at this screen. This is like, it's like a computer. There's so many things that you can choose from. It's incredible. And that's basically it. I just wanted to do this video review of this Whirlpool Duet Steam with load and go system washer. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.